How to limit FPS on any game. So in your Windows, first of all, you have to check for the driver update. So for that, navigate to your search icon and in the search bar, search for GeForce Experience. Now, once it is opened, navigate to your top left corner and click on Drivers. Here, click on Check for updates from the top right corner again. Now, you have to download or install this driver that is popped up in your interface. So you can simply click on Download. Now, once you have upgraded or update the driver, now what you have to do is come to your desktop and here right click on it. If you're on your Windows 11, click on Show More Options. Then from here, click on NVIDIA Control Panel. Now once you're here, navigate to your left hand side and from there click on the second option that is Manage 3D Settings. Now under this Manage 3D Settings, you will have two options or two settings, that is Global Settings and your Program Settings. Here Global Settings is applied to each and every application or games in your device, and if you go to Program Settings, only the settings is applied for in specific games or application that you choose. Now, in order to limit FPS, navigate to the Global Settings and from here you have to search for max frame rate. So here it is. Navigate to this and here click on this toggle that is off now. Click on it. From here you have to turn it on. Now, there is a slide bar in order to maximize or minimize your FPS value. So if you have 144 Hz monitor, then the best or the suitable FPS for your monitor is 142. Once it's on, here you can choose the frame rate. Here you can choose the FPS that is best for your Windows. Once on, click on OK. And then you can close this NVIDIA control panel. And this is a way to limit FPS in game. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.